Hello guys, how are you Panthers? Today I have 100 rand here in my Hollywood bet. I'm on Hollywood bet. So with this 100 rand, what we are going to do, we are going to play this game. I'm gonna allow you guys today to see this game properly. I'm not going to be buying the bonus here. I'm just going to spin. So I'm gonna spin with 50 cents, and all those Panthers have been sending me messages. There are many people are sending me messages that since yesterday they've been winning on Hollywood playing a Siren spell. I said no, let me also try it, but I'm just gonna spin. I think they were spinning, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm also gonna spin this and see if I will also grab something here in Hollywood bet today. So let's see if it's possible to do that. It seems like Siren spell is good this week. I don't know, the way I see it here guys, what we are getting is so nice. I'm loving what I see in the screen. I feel like even buying a bonus. I'm loving, to be honest guys, I'm loving what I see in the screen. So I think you can also try it. You can also try it. I'm loving what I'm seeing here. Okay, I thought it's a bonus there. People are really making money with a small amount of bet. Many people are really making money. I will be tempted. I'm really tempted to buy. I didn't want to buy a bonus, but I just got tempted to buy one. I'm just tempted to buy one. Let's see where it's gonna take us. Seems like we made a mistake of buying the bonus. I should have spin maybe. I was about to regret it guys. I thought I've made a mistake. Let's see if we can unlock all of them. Someone got 4 or 5 of them, like how I got it the last time. I was very impressed. He sent me the picture that he got 5 and he won 3,000. Congratulations to him. I did it yesterday. So guys, we couldn't win anything. That's why I didn't want to buy. Okay, I just bought another one. Maybe I can go away with a profit here. I really need a profit guys, a very huge profit, because I really need this money. Oh, I finally got, I thought I got 5 guys. I wanted to jump. I thought I already have 5 of them, but it's going to be a big win. We will enjoy this big win together, and it might go to super win or mega win. Let's see if it's gonna take us to mega win. It might. What's going on my battery again? Okay, it's fine. I thought it's gonna go 12 rand. We'll take that. Again, it's going to be a big win. I will forward it 12 rand. 2 left to unlock the second Okay, finally we unlock the first level. So let's see if we can unlock the second level. Let's see if we can unlock the second level. I wish we can do that. I wish we can do that. Let's see if it's going to be possible here today. So guys, you must gamble responsible. Play with a small bet if you don't have much money, and you can grab something like others. So in this game, guys, I just wanted to see if indeed Siren spell she's back. But it looks like it's back, for the way I see it. It might not really be the same to all of us, but it seems like as if you can try it, you can win it. You can see what's happening here. We are on profit yet in this bonus buy. I think we are already in profit, but we left with 29 to unlock the second level. Let's see if we run into profit. Yeah, it was a profit. It's 36 rand. It was a profit. We'll take that. So guys, I will catch you up in the next video, guys. I hope you did see that indeed Siren spell is promising. The way it's playing, it looks like it's promising. So I will catch you up in the next video, and have a good day, guys. Unless others, if something happen here. Oh, I thought I will going to catch up in the next video. I was spinning. I spin into a bonus. Let's enjoy this bonus that I didn't buy. Okay, and it's a good start. Let's enjoy this bonus, guys. I didn't buy this bonus. I wanted to stop the video because there was something that I needed to do quickly. But as we got a bonus for free without buying it, let's enjoy the bonus together. 25 more to unlock. It must just unlock everything if it want to give us money. Alright, this might really help too. How many free games? 7 free games we are left with. Oh wow, we unlocked the first level. First level is unlocked. I'm playing on Hollywood bet. I'm gonna forward, guys. This is bonus. This bonus I didn't buy it. I will forward, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are a new member. By subscribing, you are helping this channel to grow. And thank you guys for supporting me, and thank you guys for being a member of this channel. So I wish we can unlock, maybe 4 ladies can come right now, or 5, so that we can unlock all of them. If 5 ladies comes here, I'm going to be happy, guys, because it might change everything. Five ladies can change everything. Okay, at least I won't really complain because I didn't buy the bonus.